All right, lesson 13. It's time to choose and download your screen recording software. For example, I'm using what's called OBS Studio. All right, you have your avatar, you have your unique selling proposition, you have your outline, you expanded on your lessons, you have your frameworks, you have your intro, and you have your summary at the end with your call to action. You're ready to go. You have everything that you need, okay? Now it's time. Download your software, choose which one you want, what suits your situation best, and then we can start recording. Again, our trusty friend, the maestro of course creators, okay? Here's a list of potential recording software. Like I said, I use OBS Studios. There's Loom, Camtasia, Screencast-O-Matic, Snagit, and Zoom, among others, but I cut it off. There's a few different ones for different purposes. Look, this is free. I just got it because it's free. And it's pretty easy, pretty simple to use. I'll show you the next page. Boom, that's it. That was a screenshot of me using OBS Studio earlier today when I was putting together the slide. That says 4:13 p.m. on July 16th, okay? So time check right now, it's 7:06. 7:06. I was on slide 13 there. So, like, this is not taking a while. And what did we say earlier? This is upfront cost for long-term gains. You build it once and then it's out there forever. It's software. It's digital products. This is highly scalable. It's a very good return on your time. And it's not even taking that long, and it's pretty fun. And I feel like you get better at it over time, okay? So, pick out which software you're using. I'm personally using OBS Studio. I can help you out with that. If you want to use something else, go right ahead. Doesn't really matter. Use ChatGPT to help you figure out which one you want to use. And I will see you in the next lesson.